Mr. Wilson, this is Hazel Cruz, wife of Manuel Cruz. I need your help. Thank you so much, Mr. Wilson. I really appreciate it. I'm ashamed, but I have no one else to run to. Thank you so much. Please say hi to Mrs. Wilson. Okay, bye. Success!
Ano yun, friend? Huwag mo sabihin peperahan mo yung mag-asawang Wilson.
Well, why not? Marami silang pera at kailangan ko na maraming pera. So,
Bakit kailangan mo na malaking pera?
sabihin na lang natin na kakailanganin ko na malaking pera sa plano kong mag-disappear kasama si Manuel at Jessica.
Hazel, ano na namang binabalak mo?